cool, awesome, and calm.
I love it because like one thing that I don't see much in the community center is like a lot of interactive visual stuff, and this is like really colorful and really fun to play with. Yeah.
It makes me feel actually pretty happy. If you walk in here mad, just touch the board and you'll instantly feel happy.
Excited to see something like this. I don't know, I've never seen nothing like this before.
So when I touch it and I see all the different colors, it just brings just this positive feeling inside of me. Peacefulness, calmness.
The bright colors actually kind of brighten my day, so it does make me feel pretty good. Also, since it's different every time.
It just amazes me how I seen it. I ain't never seen this in my 20 years of living. So it's very nice, very outstanding.
It makes me low-key kind of feel happy because this is something new in my community center.
Like anything's possible because I didn't expect something like this to be in the community center.
I'm like an artist.
It really makes me feel excited for the future. I think art installations like this will pop up everywhere. It makes me feel creative, like I have a way of expressing myself.
It makes me feel like a kid again.
Amazed and intrigued.
Calm. Calm, yes, calm. That's a good enough. It makes me happy because you're making art and stuff. Seeing this at the Student Center, it makes me think that people actually care that kids get into art.
Makes me very happy, and it makes me want to come here every day.
It brings people from all around, like different ages and cultures together because it's something that people can connect to.
It looks like, you know, they care about just the atmosphere and just like the whole look of things. I think it's pretty cool.
It's just really nice to have something that we can have together.
Like the Sim Center that's here, people are coming not only because they want to do more classes, they want to do like fitness, or even try to come to help people that are in need of some help or guidance or anything like that. And something like this makes them feel inspired to do something more to the community.
Being able to see art like this in our community center just reminds me of what hope can be. And as a teacher, when I see students interacting, I hope that they get that feeling of that they can just do anything.
I feel like this can change how your day was going. I feel like this can make you happier because I've seen a lot of people come in and it made them really happy to see and be able to interact with this amazing work of art.
It's pretty cool just to get people having a conversation about changing the world around them.
When you have a community center, I think it's important to bring people together through unity, like how I do in my program with my kids. And this is just another step in that direction.
I think that you care about the community because you put all this effort into building this thing just so people could know like how cool art can be.
Yeah, it's really cool to see something like this because we had a group of students come through here and just the excitement on their face as they went through it.
Lots of different community members come in and interact with it together. Ones that didn't even know each other before. So to me it kind of means community because it's bringing people together.
Very cool.
Been pretty chill, and no, to be honest with you, it's kind of been putting me in a better mood. it's kind of put me in a better mood, just even now. Just, you know, I enjoy coming here already, but I think it brightens my day just a little bit.
It's pretty cool. Yes, it changes colors.
Meaningful, surprising.
This is the most interesting thing I've ever seen in my life.
It was awesome. You know, I could touch it, like put my name in and everything.
I think like people who are creative or like kids can really just like mess around and like stimulate their brain and just have fun with it because I don't know, it's really fun. Like I'm just touching it all. It's so fun. I love it.
First time I saw it, I was like, wow, there's something new that we have in this community center that looks very interesting. That's why, you know, I like to play with you before I go to work.
It was real cool because seeing all the little kids, you know, running around playing with it.
I would draw something on it every time I walk in.
Every time I walk by this, I touch it.
Like, it always makes me happy. Every time I come into the gym, I'm like, oh, it's something to look forward to when I come here.
You're like, look at this. Who wouldn't want to do this? Who wouldn't? I love it.